As far as basic operation of the boat, it's very simple to operate. Pontoons are quite possibly some of the easiest boats to operate. And you always want to make sure that you're in neutral, which is in the center position of the shifting column. There's a button behind the shifter that you can depress, and you're in forward if you push it forward. Now, if you go back, you'll hear it. Hear the click. That means you're in neutral. It can't go anywhere. Reverse is down, neutral, back in. Now, you always want to make sure when you look back at the motor that it's in the water and that it's also free of people, debris, or anything that may be harm to the motor. You have trim here. You can trim up, which is bringing the motor out of the water, or you can trim down. You always want to make sure that you're in a deep enough water where you can start the motor, whether that's in a slightly trimmed up position or all the way down, preferably all the way down. But you always want to make sure that you do have enough water depth back there as well. Just as long as the bottom portion of the motor is in the water, you're fine. Now it's in neutral. We've checked. There's nobody behind us. There's nobody in near the motor, and we can go ahead and start the boat. You hear the Mercury running right now. Now, when we go forward, we like to do slow movements with boats. So we can pop it into forward, and we're going to start drifting a certain direction, whichever way that we're pointed. Now, boats like to continue moving in that same direction. So if I were to put it back into neutral, I'm still drifting, obviously because we've built momentum moving forward. Turning is very simple. With this big open water that we have here, I don't have much to worry about. But if I was in tight spaces, I would want to make simple and small movements. Because as you can see, I've let this boat drift for about 5 seconds with the wheel turned, and we're already almost doing a 180-degree spin. So it's very fast to move through, and you just need to be careful when you're around other boaters or docks. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a very simple operation.